I know this is going to be very hard to believe, but that's it. Try not to look at the color, just look at the shape and the sound is with a custom speaker baffle and speaker that I built. I designed and built the speaker baffle 3D speaker and installed the speaker, and it's not an overly big speaker. And I don't know why we're losing chuff like this. I'll have to check that. Shouldn't be losing that chuff sound like that. Must be something wrong. Yeah, there's got to be something wrong. But you can see the puff is going, and the firebox. And the tender shell is on. I'm just worried that tender shell looks a little big. I don't know. Looks majestic going down from the backside. I've got you enlarged a little. Maybe it's too big. Let's see what you think of this view. Here comes the train. There's the engine. And you know, it's going to have the front and rear stuff on it, so it's going to look a little more majestic too. I just wonder, well, that's a slab side, no rivets, no details, no railings. I don't know. This looks like it could be a little smaller. Oh, hush. Nobody wants to hear you.